In this video, we will discuss question number 4, exercise 2.3 polynomials. In this question, we want to factorize polynomials. All polynomials are what? Quadratic polynomials. Why? Each one having degree 2. If degree is 2, that is called what? Quadratic polynomials. So all 4 polynomials are quadratic. Now we want to factorize each one. So how we will factorize? I am taking first question, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. We want to factorize this one. Simple process. It is this types of the question you studied in the 8th standard. So it is not hard one. We can easily to factorize in the 8th standard. One topic is there, algebraic expressions, in which you studied these types of the questions. Or we studied what? Algebraic expressions are what? Polynomials. Algebraic expressions nothing but what? Polynomials. Clear? So these are quadratic polynomials. We want to factorize. How we will factorize? We are having 12x square minus 7x plus 1. This is in the form of what? General form. General form of the quadratic polynomial is what? ax square plus bx plus c. It is the general form. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is what? Constant term. And maximum power of variable x is what? 2. So its degree is 2 and degree is 2. So it is called what? Quadratic polynomial. All these questions are in this form. And we want what? Factorize. We want its factor. So what is the question? 12x square minus 7x plus 1. We want to factorize this one. How we will factorize? We will split what? We will split middle term, x term. We will split this term into 2 parts. What? Observe carefully. We will split this one into the 2 parts, and sum of both parts. Listen carefully. Sum of both parts should be equal to this one with a sign. What? We will split x term into the 2 parts. Sum of both should be equal to this one, but only sum is not sufficient. Product of both parts should be equal to product of first and last term. X square term and constant term product should be equal to product of both parts with a sign. Different sign is not allowed. With a sign, same sign. Products, whatever sign, will be product of both parts sign. Are you getting? Minus 7x. I am splitting into the 2 parts. Minus 4x. What? Minus 4x minus 3x. Observe how we are getting minus 7. Once we add both, what? We are adding both. Minus 4x minus 3x, both are negative, sign will be the negative. We are doing addition, not product. In the product, sign will be the positive. We are doing addition, so sign will be minus, so minus will be there. Both will be negative, so negative answer will be negative. Minus 4x minus 3x, we add, we are getting minus 7x. So we are splitting this middle x term into the 2 parts, minus 4x minus 3x. But that one is not sufficient. Product of both part. What? Product of both part. What is the product? Minus into minus plus. 4 into 3, 12. x into x, x square. Product of both part should be equal to product of first and last term. First term is what? 12x square. Last term is what? 1. Product is 12x square. And it is similar to this one, yes or no? This is the plus 12x square. This one is also what? Plus 12x square. Both are same. It means minus 7x having two parts, minus 4x. What? Minus 4x. Two parts are what? Minus 4x minus 3x. Clear? Again I am revising how we are factorizing. For factorizing or quadratic polynomial, we will split x term into the two parts and sum of both should be equal to given one, and product of both should be equal to product of first and last term. Getting? Then what we will do? We will take common first two and last two. In both, what is the common? Common means what? Both are divisible. So take common. There is a x square, there is a x. It means x is a common. This is 4 and this is 12. Both are divisible by 2 or 4. So we can take 4 outside. So in both 4x is common. Why? Because 4x is divisible by 4x and 12x square is also divisible by 4x. So I am taking 4x as a common. Then this number divided by this one, result should be there, 3x. And this one divided by this one will be this one. Clear? Once we apply distributive law, again 4x multiply this one, 4x into minus 1, this one with sign. Clear? Plus into minus, minus. Now take common in the last two one. In both, no one is common. This is the minus 3x, this is the plus 1. No one is common. If no one is common, then we will take 1 as a common. 1 is common, both. No one is common, it means what? 1 is common. I am taking 1 outside. There is a minus, so we should take minus sign. Once we take minus outside, then inside the bracket sign will be changed. Minus 1 I am taking common, so there will be 3x and this plus will be convert this plus. Observe carefully. This plus will be converted into minus sign, not plus. This will be converted into minus sign. Now apply distributive law. Minus 1 into this one, minus 3x. Minus into minus, plus. And what will be the result? Plus 1. And both bracket should be same. Once we factorize, we are taking common, then this term and this term, in which we are having two terms. This is the one term and this is the another term. In both term, this bracket is common. Take this bracket outside. What is the remaining? Write in another bracket. 4x is remaining, minus 1 is remaining. In this way, we are getting these two factors of this given polynomial. Easy process. Factorization is not hard. We are doing quadratic polynomials factorization. In the quadratic polynomial factorization, we will split middle term into two parts. Sum of both should be equal to middle one. And product of both should be equal to product of first and last term. Clear? With sign. Whatever we do, we will use with sign. Clear? Now next one. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. We want to split this one, 7x. We want what? We want to split 7x. Clear? Into the two part. Two parts of 7 is what? 5 and 2. 5 and 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Clear? Positive we are having, so we will use positive numbers. And 8 minus 1, 7. We are having different parts. But those parts we will consider their product of first and last number product. Once we take what? 8 and 1. 8 minus 1, 8x minus x. 7x we are getting. But product of 8x minus x will be minus 8x square. We want first and last product is what? 2x square plus 3, 6x square. So we cannot take 8x minus x. Are you getting? Product should be first and last term, x square term, 2x square, and constant term is 3. Product should be what? 6x square. Product should be what? 6x square. So we will take number accordingly. 7x can be split into 8 minus 1, 5 plus 2, and 6 minus 6 plus 1, like 6 plus 1, like this. But in all, we are not getting same product. So we will take what? We want product is 6x square. So we should take two numbers as 6x and x. 6x plus x, 7x, and product will be what? Both are positive, so product will be 6x square, and first and last term product is 6x square. Both are same, so we will consider 6x and x. So 7x, this middle term is splitting into two parts, 6x plus x. Sum is equal to 7x. Product of both should be equal to first and last term product, and this product is 6x square, and first and last term product is 6x square. It means both parts are correct. Take common in both. Take common in both. What is the common? 2x is common. Divide this by 2x, x is remaining. Divide this by 2x, 3 is remaining. Now in both no one is common. Common means whatever having common part we are taking outside the bracket, and bracket no one is common. Now take in which there is no one is common. So no one is common, it means once will be common. Take one outside. We will write as it is. Why? Because outside we are having plus, so sign will be as it is. Clear? This term and this term separated by plus, both are having bracket common. Take bracket outside. What is the remaining? 2x. What is the remaining? Plus 1, and take in another bracket. So this one and this one are two factors of given polynomial. Clear? Now observe next question. Question number third one. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. We want to factorize this one. How we will factorize? First we want to split middle term into the two parts. Sum of both parts should be equal to middle one, and product of both parts should be product of first and last term with sign. So middle term is what? 5x. We want, how we will split 5x? 5x can be 4x plus x, 4x plus x, 5x. But we can use this one or not? We should check multiplication. First and last term multiplication. First term is what? 6x square, and last term is what? Minus 6. So and products will be what? 6 6 plus into minus, 6 6 36 x square. What we are having? 36x square. We will take parts that sum should be 5x and product of both parts should be minus 36x square. Clear? So we are taking 9x minus 4x. Once we add both, what we are doing? Adding 9x plus minus 4x. Addition, when we do, we are getting 5x. Clear? 9 minus 4 will be 5x. Product of both, plus into, we are product of both, we are doing product. 9 plus into minus, 9 4 36, x into x square, and this product is same as first and last term product. So we can use these parts. Take common in first two and last two. What is the common? Both are divisible by 3. We can take 3 outside. X is common, 3x. What is the remaining? This number divided by this one, 2x. This number divided by this one, 3 times it is going. Now In both, take minus 2 as a common. 4 and 6 both are divisible by 2. Minus 2 we can take outside. Once we take minus outside, then sign inside the bracket will be changed. This minus converted into plus. And this number divided by 2, then we are getting this number minus 4x divided by minus 2, we are getting 2x. Minus 6 divided of minus 2, we are getting 3. Take both this term and this term separated by minus. So in both terms we are having bracket as a common. Take bracket outside and take another bracket. Whatever remaining parts we are having 3x minus 2. These two are factors of this polynomial. Now last question I am taking. What is the last one? Observe carefully. Question number fourth one. What is the question number 4? 3x square minus x minus 4. We want to factorize this one. Both are negative. Clear? 3x square minus x minus 4. We want to factorize. How we will factorize? Sum should be minus x and product should be first and last term product. What is the first and last term? Product should be first and last term. I am writing there. Middle term is minus x. We will split this one in two parts. Sum should be this one and product should be first and last term. First term is 3x square and last term is minus 4x. Minus 4. Product both plus into minus, minus. Getting now? Minus 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. 12x square. This is the product. So we will take parts accordingly. We want minus 12x square as a product of both parts, or sum should be minus x. So we will take 4 and 3. Minus 4x plus 3x. When we add both, what we are getting? Minus 4x plus 3x. Minus will be remaining. Minus x will be remaining. Multiply both. Minus into plus. Minus 4 into 3. 12x into x, x square. Both are correct. So we can take what? 3x square minus x can be written as minus 4x plus 3x, and this one will be as it is minus 4. Take common in first two and last two. In first two, what is the common? This is the 3 and 4. No number is common, only x is common. What is the remaining? 3x minus 4. Take in which no one is common, take one as a common. 3x minus 4. This term and this term having bracket is a common. 3x minus 4 will be the common. In the another bracket we will take this one plus this one. So in this way we are having two factors, 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. Two factors of this polynomial. So in these all questions, what we are doing? We are factorizing. Listen, in all questions what we are doing? We are factorizing. And how we are factorizing? We are having quadratic polynomials, and quadratic polynomials, how we will factorize? We will split middle term into the two parts. Sum of two parts should be equal to this x term with a sign. And product of both parts, one part is minus 4x, another one is minus 3x with a sign. Product of both parts should be equal to product of first and last one product. X square terms and constant term product. This is the process of finding factors of quadratic polynomials. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.